Jedan sasvim slučajan susret probudi emocije, sjećanja na jednog divnog čovjeka koji se družio sa mojim sagovornikom danas, doktor Esu Sadiković. A gospodin pored mene je Marek Bladowski, Poljak, koji je zajedno sa doktorom radio u Samoji. Došao je 2000 km je prešao, došao u Prijedor, grad u kojem je živio i nažalost i okončao svoj relativno kratki život doktor Esu Sadiković. Dakle, putovanje vrijedno poštovanja.
Yeah, okay. Eso arrived to Samoa in '96, just 1 month before I arrived. Okay, and when he came with his wife and 2 children, with Zorica and Alma and Bato. They were small at that time. Yeah, that was in 1986, and the second day when Eso arrived, he still stayed in a hotel named Tusitala. Tusitala Hotel was the best hotel in Western Samoa, and they put all United Nations doctors on the first few days before they gave them their houses in Tusitala Hotel. The second day when he came, the Lebanese woman was shot in the face, and they called him from hotel to the hospital. The name of hospital was the Motootua Hospital, when we used to work later on together 2 years. And he operated her 8 hours. He took out the bullet. He made all surgery, ENT surgery, and he also made a plastic surgery. So 1 month later, she was like new one. And nobody could recognize that she was really badly shot in the face. And Eso became very famous in Samoa, and all Samoans pay to him very respect. And from all around the country, they used to go there. I used to operate with Eso. Eso had magic hands, unbelievable. He was so brilliant operator, you cannot believe it. I operated myself, okay, but he was. That was a gift from the God, you see, he had. And he was a very charismatic man. We stick together with him, with one German gynecologist, and Bernard Reich was his name, and with American guy, English teacher from American Samoa, who used to come to Western Samoa every week, Paul Carrer. And Paul Carrer is the guy who is following our Esat story, because we learned that he's not alive, because we are searching for him, because from 88 when he left Samoa to 91 we had all the time contact, correspondence and radio contact. And later on, the contact cut. So we start to be worried. What's happened with Eso? We didn't know that he is in camp, okay, in concentration camp.
Mi smo ovdje doktora Esu doživljavali na svoj način, dakle kao prijatelja, kao komšiju, kao ljekara, kao velikog čovjeka i kao šareta. Dakle, vi ste sami ljekar, radili ste sa njim. Dakle, kako ste profesionalne strane ste doživljavali doktora Esu?
As a friend, he was brilliant friend. He was very charismatic. He was very helpful. Anything you needed. We used to smoke a lot. He used to smoke a lot. He was a giant smoker. Okay, I also smoke a lot. Okay, so Eso in Samoa smoked cigarettes named Rotmans. Okay, and also I used to smoke Rotmans before I smoke. Now I'm smoking Marlboro, and so very often Eso was short of cigarettes because he smoked a lot, and he 2-3 packets a day. Okay, So he came and said, Bratko, do you have cigarette? I have, of course I have. So I gave him. When I was short of cigarettes, I went to Eso. Eso didn't drink. We drank a lot, okay, in tropic, because mainly whiskey. Eso never drink whiskey in Samoa. He drank only the beer. The beer name was a Vailima, the only beer in Samoa, okay? Also, every day we had some kind of party among the old doctors, okay? So there were German doctor, myself, and Eso, three only Europeans, three only white people. There was some doctors from Burma, from Bangladesh, from India, from Singapore, from Japan. A lot of doctors, especially a dentist from Japan. And we stick together as the professionals and exchange our knowledge, and Eso always was ahead of all discussion. When he came to Samoa, his English was very poor. He was extremely clever. He learned immediately. So after 2-3 months, he spoke English perfect. Now my English is now poorer because I don't speak English nearly 30 years, so, but I knew English very well. Exactly, I'm here to pay respect and memory to Eso Sadikovic, my closest friend in Samoa. He was my closest friend. And that's the reason I knew that he used to work in Prvo as a chief of ENT ward. I knew that he was killed in Omarska, that's his official story. And I knew that he was born in Niš. So I visited Niš last year also. And I wanted to see the places, okay? Yeah. Now think another about Eso, he was very big patriot. He was very big Bosnia patriot because he all the times was talking about that time Yugoslavia. In Yugoslavia, the best coffee. In Yugoslavia, the best vodka. In Yugoslavia, the best beer. Yugoslavian girls are the best in the world. He was really patriot. And Bratko, he said, because sometimes you could see someone, attractive woman. So, this is attractive woman, this is not attractive woman. You come to Yugoslavia, you will see attractive woman. This beer, I drink this beer because this is only one beer in Samoa. The beer in Yugoslavia, this is beautiful beer, yeah. And really he was huge feeling of patriotism. Every day, we met during 2 years, every day, every single day. Every party, go-away party, welcome party, any party, we were always together. You see, there's few photos, because I couldn't find them more, because I have thousands of photos, okay? So when I come back to Poland, I will find more photos with Eso, and I make a copy and send you, of course. Everyone asks you, Eso, you can work anywhere in world, anywhere. You can go to States. He had offers from Singapore, from Japan, because he was excellent surgeon, okay? We can fix you for you your diploma, don't worry. You will have a license to practice anywhere in world. No, Bratko, I am coming back to Yugoslavia. I'm coming back to Bosnia, to Prijedor. This is my place. I love this place. I have friends there. And that's really astonished me, because with his knowledge and his English and his especially surgical skills, he could work anywhere.
Dobra priča. Mi koji smo poznavali Esu, dakle, znali smo da je vrstan doktor, dakle, bio je predsjednik otorinaca Jugoslavije, najmlađi predsjednik. Ali je bio i čovjek koji je u svakom trenutku spreman na šalu, imao te neke vrckave ispade. Jel pamtite, sigurno je toga bilo i u Samoji, dakle, neki interesantan, ovako šaljivi trenutak sa doktorom Esom?
All the time he was joking, all the time he wear some Samoan clothes for fun, okay? Samoans used to wear piece of material, nearly 2 meters long, called a lava. And they cover this lava itself, and usually this is only dress. So Eso also used to wear lava. Okay. Also, there's one photo I don't have yet, but where Eso is wearing some strange hats, okay? Some Arabian hat, some kind of, and he was playing jokes with another, especially doctors from Bangladesh and India. They have a special English pronunciation, like good morning, like they pronounce. So Eso always make jokes with their, and he shake a head if they are like Bulgarians, right? If they say no, they say yes. If they say yes, they say like this, okay? So Eso also make jokes of Bangladeshi doctors and all the, etc. All the time he was joking, he was very funny, and we really loved him very much, because when Eso was among us, always we laugh. Our stomachs was paying, you know, because he was really very, very funny guy, yeah. And very charismatic. That was a very high kind of humor, okay? That was not a single humor. He was really intelligent, very intelligent guy, yeah.
Želite da posjetite mjesta gdje je nažalost okončao svoj život, mislim da se zove Hrastova glavica pored Sanskog mosta, zatim Omarsku logor, bolnicu koju je radio, mezar gdje je sahranjen zajedno sa mnogo svojih sugrađana.
Yeah, that's what I would like, you know, to pay him respect, because I'm saying that was the closest friend during Samoa time of mine. As I said, we operate together, we play together, we stay together, we borrow each other cigarettes, beer, everything, okay? So, in respect to him and memory, there's a reason I came 2,000 kilometers to see the place when he was working in hospital, when he was staying in his house, and when his grave is, yeah? And the place he was killed, and I own him, okay? I own him this, because what I'm saying again, he was my closest friend in Western Samoa.
Eto, poštovani gledalci, bio je ovo slučajni susret sa doktorom Marekom Bladowskim iz Poljske, koji je radio u Samoji sa doktorom Esom Sadikovićem. Dakle, putovanje vrijedno poštovanja, doći u grad koji ne poznajete nikoga ovdje, dakle, ali to sjećanje na dobrog čovjeka, na doktora Esu, bio je dovoljan motiv ovom divnom čovjeku da posjeti ovaj grad. Hvala vam, doktore.
Hvala, thank you. Thank you very much.
The other side.